يا ربي بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرم هو الحبيب.
Is it possible to reach these stations? Of course, taqwa amma, which is like general taqwa, becoming muttaqi, of course, no problem. But real maqamat with Allah that the Sufi speak about, is it possible to reach them without a Sufi master? It's possible, but the possibility is like a person who's never learned to swim, to go and swim through a sea without an instructor, without a guide. Is it impossible? No, somebody will get through. But are you going to be that someone? And if you're not going to let your dunya go so easily, then why should we let our akhirah go so easily? Hold on to a guide who's swum through, as Imam Abu Hassan said, he who has not come to Allah can't guide to Allah. He who has not come to Allah can't guide to Allah. Hold the hand of someone who, fulfilling the conditions, is a guide to Allah Ta'ala, and inshallah there's security and safety. Because you're going to stand up on Yawm al-Qiyamah with the people that you love and that you followed, you imitated. So even if you don't become from the high stations, but you intend, as Ibn Arabi says, radiallahu ta'ala an, you'll be raised amongst them. The young man who perseveres trying to memorize Quran and dies, he'll be raised as a hafiz, as in the hadith. And on qiyas upon this, he who dies seeking knowledge, truly for the sake of Allah, will be raised, amongst the ulama. He who dies seeking ma'rifah of Allah will be raised as a wali of Allah, amongst the awliya. Have husn al-zan with Allah Ta'ala. Hold on to these men of Allah, for they are very, very in our age. They are very, very in our age. Barakallahu feekum.
من الأهوال مقتحم هو الحبيب.